In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the zoom feature in Capcut, creating eye-catching effects in just a few steps. Whether you're new to video editing or a seasoned pro, you'll find this guide easy to follow and helpful for enhancing your video projects. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to open Capcut on your device. It's essential to either create a new project or open an existing one where you intend to apply the zoom effect. If you're just exploring and testing things out, you might want to start with any video clip you have handy. Once you have your project open, the next step is to tap on the specific clip you want to zoom in on. It's important that the video segment you choose has a part where a zoom effect will add value or enhance the viewing experience. Now direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. You want to scroll until you find and tap the keyframe option, which is represented by a diamond icon. Keyframes are critical because they help apply changes over time within your video clip. With this tool selected, shift your playhead, the line that indicates your current position in the video, to the point where you want the zoom effect to commence. Once you have that spot marked, go ahead and press Add Keyframe. Moving forward, literally you want to advance the playhead a little further along the timeline. This is where the magic happens. Using two fingers on your screen, pinch to zoom in on the part of the video you want to emphasize. This action automatically places another keyframe on your timeline, marking the end of your zoom effect. With the keyframes in place, take a moment to play through the video. You'll be able to see how smoothly the zoom transitions between the keyframes. If needed, you can fine-tune the timing by adjusting the distance between the keyframes, making the zoom faster or slower to match your creative vision. Once you're satisfied with the effect and the overall timing, there's just one step remaining. Tap Export to save your newly edited video. You now have a video complete with a dynamic zoom effect, all ready to share with your audience or keep in your personal collection. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful as you explore the creative possibilities with Capcut's zoom feature. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different clips and effects. Thanks for watching and happy editing.